Welcome back. It's time now for a special COVID segment, The Good, Bad and Ugly. Milind Sharma and I filed a report earlier. Take a look. The good news of the day when it comes to the pandemic, the government is all set to start the second phase of the vaccination drive, and this is going to be simpler for all of us who are beneficiaries. Those above the age of 60 are beneficiaries. Those above the age of 45 are also beneficiaries if they have underlying healthcare conditions. The process is going to get simpler. Walk-in vaccinations will be allowed, so you can simply check out which are the vaccination sites and you can go and get a vaccine. The process has been also made simpler to the extent that you do not need to download another COVID app. In fact, if you have Arogya Setu, there is going to be a new tab in that that's going to help you register online. Even if you do not have Arogya Setu, you do not need to download Arogya Setu. You can simply go on to the browser. There is going to be a URL that's going to be given out by the government. We have the details. It's covin.gov.in, and that essentially is going to help in online registrations. But if you do not have that option also, walk-in vaccinations will be allowed. Efforts are on to make the process simple and ensure that there are more vaccinations and more people get the benefit of this from Monday onwards.
Well, the latest bad news on the COVID-19 virus front is that now the virus is attacking a human's immune system and body in different ways. We knew initially that there were flu-like symptoms that emerged once a person was infected with COVID-19. It was cough and cold. But now the new symptoms are due to the entry of the newer variants in the UK. Scientists in the United Kingdom have said that the new symptoms are anywhere from lethargy to extreme amount of fatigue in the body, dizziness, headaches, muscle pain as well. And we're also looking at rashes on the skin, conjunctivitis in the eyes, body aches, as well as discoloration of toes and fingers. So these are some of the symptoms that if you are reporting, you will need to get tested for the COVID-19 virus.
Here is the ugly side of the pandemic. The sense really in the country was that India has flattened the curve. But look at what is happening in the state of Maharashtra. For the third consecutive day, Maharashtra has reported more than 8,000 new cases. 28 districts of the 36 districts of the big state has seen a surge in COVID-19 cases. In fact, more than 60% of the cases in the country are coming from the state of Maharashtra. From what it looks like, the government has already indicated that if cases increase, then there could be some kind of a lockdown that is going to be announced in the state. There is no relief when it comes to the number of cases, and cases are only going up in the state.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.